Friends, thanks again for tuning in. This is package number 2. This one was shipped from Fairbanks, Alaska. I'm trying to remember what it had. From what I remember at this point in the trip, if you go back and watch my summer 2026 Alaska series, you'll see at this point I hadn't found any really good rocks, but mostly igneous stuff. So I'm expecting some kind of quartz from what I remember, and maybe some other kind of igneous rocks, maybe some, I don't know, basalt kind of stuff, but we'll see. All right, time for the big reveal. And here we go. All right, just some banded quartz, it looks like. And wet, so you can see I thought this was cool. It's a green and white. It's got some gneiss and some schist combo. Probably won't tumble that great, but kind of cool rock. This one I picked because it's all the different layers. I thought it was kind of cool. It's a nice piece of weathered quartz with some nice basalt running through it. Alright, there you have it. That's box number 2 or package number 2. This was from Fairbanks, Alaska. Igneous rocks. Not too excited, but some cool quartz. Not bad.